हेलो एवरीवन यही क्लास में डिस्कसन करवा प्रीवियस क्लास रे जो छाड़ी से स्टार्ट कर एनवायरनमेंट एंड इकोलॉजी रु स्टार्ट करवा चलतु फास्ट द टर्म इकोलॉजी फास्ट गिवन बाय रेटर द स्टडी ऑफ इंटीरियर रिलेशंस between living organism and their environment is called ecology. Next, an ecological system is a biological system. The standard of the measurement of noise is called decibel. Next, the lowest sound pressure that can be heard in decibel scale है 0, which is most widely produced greenhouse gas है carbon dioxide. Next, change name city, state and country. Next, what is the new names of Abyssinia, Ethiopia? What is the new names of Basutoland, Botswana? What is the new name of Batavia, Jakarta? What is the new name of Burma, Myanmar? What is the new names of Kanpur? Kanpur. What is the new name of Central Province? Central Province को मध्य प्रदेश कहुए. What is the new name of Ceylon? Ceylon को श्रीलंका कहुए. What is the new name of Dutch East Indies? Indonesia को कहुए. What is the new names of Gold Coast? Ghana को कहुए. Next, what is the new names of Holland? The Netherlands को कहुए. The new names of Madagascar तो Malagasy कहुए. What is the new name of Malaya? Right answer is Malaysia. What is the new name of Mesopotamia? Iraq को कहुए. What is the new name of Northern Odisha? Zambia को कहुए. What is the new name of Nippon? Japan को कहुए. Next, what is the new name of Peking? Beijing को कहुए. Next, what is the new name of Rangoon? Yangon कहुए. What is the new name of Persia? Iran को कहुए. What is the new name of Rhodesia? Zimbabwe. What is the new name of Sandwich Island? Hawaii Island को. What is the new name of Siam? Thailand को कहुए. Next, what is the new name of South West Africa? Namibia को कहुए. What is the new names of Zaire? Republic of Congo को कहुए. Next, international boundary lines. International boundary lines between India and Pakistan को Red Cliff Line कहुए. By whom was the boundary between India and Pakistan determined? Sir Cyril Radcliffe in 1947. The international boundary between India and China है McMahon. By whom was the boundary between India and China determined? Sir Henry McMahon in 1914. Next, the international boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan, Durand Line. By whom was the boundary between Pakistan and Afghanistan determined? Sir Mortimer Durand in 1896. The international boundary between Germany and Poland, Hindenburg Line or Oder-Neisse Line. International boundary between France and Germany, Maginot Line. 38 parallel line boundary between North Korea, South Korea. Next, 49 parallel in boundary between USA, Canada. 24 parallel boundary between India Pakistan but not recognized by India. 17 parallel boundary between Vietnam, North Vietnam and South Vietnam. Next, continents of world and Asia. Which is the largest continent in in the world both terms of population and area? Asia. How many countries in Asia has? 48 countries. Which strait separate Asia from North America? Bering Strait. Which country is the smallest in Asia? Maldives. The Tibet Plateau lies between which two major mountain ranges? Himalaya and Kunlun. Kullur, which is known as the roof of world? Pamir or Tibetan Plateau. Which is largest archipelago in world? Indonesia. What is the archipelago? Group of Iceland. What is the highest point of Asia? Mount Everest. 8848. What is the lowest point of Asia? Dead Sea. 396 meter deep. We called it Dead Sea because it does not support any aquatic life. Where is Dead Sea a saltwater lake located between Israel and Jordan? Which sea is the world's largest lake and 5 times larger than Lake of Superior? Caspian Sea. Next. Which Which sea separates Europe from Asia? Caspian Sea. Which is the largest salt desert of the world? Dast-e-Kavir. Which lake in China is a site numerous nuclear tests? Lop Nor Lake. Which river is known as the Sorrow of China? Huangho or Yellow River. Which river from the boundary between Russia and China? Amur River. The name of the longest river in Asia है Yangtze Kiang River. Next, the only landlocked country in Southeast Asia Peninsula है Laos. Which river is known as the lifeline of Myanmar? Irrawaddy. Which lake of Turkey is most saline water body in Asia? Lake Van. Which volcanic mountain is the highest peak of Japan? Fujiyama. Which is the most industrialized nation of Asia? China. Which country is called land of mountains and river? Myanmar. Next. Which country is called the country of canal? Pakistan. Which country is known as country of rising sun? Japan. Which country is known as the land of morning claim? Korea. Which sea of Asia has third highest saltiest water body in world? Dead Sea. Which city of Japan is known as Manchester of Japan? Osaka. Next. Which country of the world known as country of earthquake and volcano? Japan. Which island of Japan is largest? Honshu. On which city of Japan the USA dropped atom bombs? Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Which crops is known as Sonar Bengal in Bangladesh? Jute. Which famous animals found in Sundarban? Royal Bengal tiger. The world's largest delta Sundarban is formed in Bangladesh. Next. Which two nations Asia are the leading fishing nation? China and Japan. Next. What are the main cash crop in Pakistan? Cotton and sugarcane. Which is the largest city of Pakistan? Karachi. What is the official language of Pakistan? Urdu. Which is the largest port of Pakistan? Karachi. Which is the only Hindu country in world? Nepal. Where is the Pashupatinath temple is situated? Nepal. Next. Which is the largest port of Bangladesh? Chittagong. Which country Khyber Pass situated? Pakistan. The Hindu Kush mountain is situated in Pakistan. Where the Gobi Desert is situated? Mongolia. In which country the Thar Desert is situated? India. Next, where is the most hottest place is situated in Asia? Jacobabad, Pakistan. Where the Sialkot city in Pakistan famous? For the sports goods and manufacture. Next, which country is the largest producer of rice and wheat? China. Which city of China is known as Manchester of China? Shanghai. Which is the largest seaport of China? Shanghai. Where is the capital of Taiwan? Taipei. When was the Myanmar separated from India? 1936. Which country of world known as the country of Black Pagoda? Myanmar. Buddhist temple ପାଇଁ. Next. Which nation is known as Peers of East? Sri Lanka. Between which two countries Park Strait is located? India and Sri Lanka. In which country the Great Wall located? China. Which is the largest plain of world? Siberian plate. Next. What portion of world lands has Asia continent? 29.5%. Which canal connects the Red Sea and the Mediterranean Sea? Suez Canal. Next. Which country has maximum number of post office in the world? India. Which is the second highest peak of world? Godwin Austin or K2? Which are the leading producer of 10 tea of Asia? India and Sri Lanka. Which railway is the longest in Asia? Trans-Siberian Railway. Which country is the biggest country in Asia? China. Next. What is the most populated country in Asia? China. Next. Which is the biggest railway station in Asia? Gorakhpur railway station. Which is the longest railway platform in Asia? Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. Which country is the fast shipbuilding in Asia? Japan. Which has the first place in manufacturing radios and transistor? Hong. Which country exports the biggest amount of tin ore in the world? Malaysia. Next. The Petrapol Integrated Checkpost ICP inaugurated between India and Bangladesh. Next. Africa विषय जानिबा. Africa. The second largest continent of the world है Africa. The highest point of Africa है Mount Kilimanjaro in Tanzania. The lowest point of Africa है Lake Essol in Didibouti. The largest desert of the world है Sahara Desert. Which is the longest river of the world? The Nile River. Next. Which is the highest volcanic mountain in world? Kilimanjaro. Which is the hottest place in world? Al Jizya in Libya, 58 degrees Celsius recorded. Which mine in Africa is biggest known gold mine in world? Johannesburg. The tropical grassland in Africa is called savanna. In which desert ostrich bird is famous? The Kalahari Desert. Next. In which mine in Africa is the biggest diamond mines in the world? The Kimberley. The best tea producer in the world hela Kenya. In which continent Atlas Mountain located? Africa. The second deepest lake in world hela Tan- Tanganyika, Tanganyika, Africa. Which is the largest lake in Africa? Lake Victoria. Next. Which dam in Africa has been built on the river of Nile? Swan Dam. From which lake the river Nile originates? Lake Victoria. Into which sea the river Nile falls? Mediterranean Sea. In which continent the temperature remains high throughout the year? Africa. Which continent is the largest producer of cocoa? Africa. Next. Which island of the world are leading producer of cloves? Zanzibar, Africa. Which continent is the largest producer of cobalt? Zaire. Which country of the Gulf of Guinea is? Nigeria. Which country has been called the gift of the Nile? Egypt. In which continent the major part of Sahara Desert lies? Egypt. Which city the South Africa legislative city? Cape Town. Next. Which continent is known as Dark Continent? Africa. Next. Thought which continent both the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn pass? Africa. Equator divide which continent into almost two equal parts? Africa. Which lake is the man-made lake in Africa? Nasser Lake. Which river is the longest river world and life bond of Egypt? The Nile River. Which river in Africa cuts equator twice? Congo River. Next. Which river cuts Tropic of Capricorn twice? The Limpopo River. What is the famous language of Africa? Swahili. Which is the third largest continent of the world? North America. The highest point of North America is Mount McKinley, 16,194 meters. The lowest point of North America is Dead Valley, minus 85.9 meters. North America was discovered by Columbus in 1492. Next. The two main tribal race which lives North America are Red Indian and Negro. The main center of automobiles car factory in North America is Detroit. Which country is the first in the produce paper in the world? Canada. The biggest railway station in world is the Grand Central Terminal, New York. The greatest museum in the world is American Museum National History in New York. Next. North America. How many fully independent country has North America? 23.